Hello friends, welcome back. This is Jan and welcome to your channel Jan as Mommy. In this video, I'm going to share my birthday vlog, and you would have seen all my videos will have some sort of information or at least some kind of motivation, and that's how I prefer uploading my videos. In this video also, you will be seeing some good useful informations. So starting from a recipe, it is going to be a yummy garlic bread recipe, very buttery, very cheesy garlic bread of Domino's style in a very simple way using bread slices. And the next, you will be seeing some DIYs and easy birthday decorations you can do at home for a simple birthday celebration. Third one, I'm so excited to share. I have come up with 2 offers for you people. You are spending your precious time and watching my video, so I wanted to give you all something on my birthday, so I have come up with these offers. So the offers are going to be on 2 different products, product 1 and product 2. Product 1 and product 2 videos will be uploaded separately to avoid confusions. Each video will have the coupon code and the manufacturer detail, how to apply, and also the review of the product. But before that, in this video, I will be announcing on what products you will be receiving the discounts. So stay tuned till end of the video to know about the offer. So only criteria to avail the offer is you have to be my subscriber. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit on the bell icon next to the subscribe button to get more notifications in this channel. So let's get into this video.
I'm going to make a flower tiara for my mom's birthday.
Yeah, my daughter made a flower tiara for me. For that, she took 2 metal strings and kept it together. Added a small pearl and made a twist on both the sides. Added some artificial roses in between the pearls and made a twist to secure the roses. That's it, she repeated with pearl and roses and made a flower tiara. Then she made some cake toppers with cardboard pieces and colorful papers. I recently learned to make paper flowers. I thought of giving it a try for my birthday decoration. If it comes out really well, then I'm going to make it for my daughter's birthday. Then comes in the balloon decorations. You can decorate like a pro by using some simple techniques. Cutting the cardboard in a round shape and took some colorful balloons. Going to blow all the balloons using this electric pump. After blowing each and every balloons, I'm going to insert it in the round cardboard cut to get equal sizes of balloons. Tied two balloons together. Took a metal string something like this and going to cut it of the desired size. Tied one side of the string onto a water bottle to secure it from moving, and we are going to tie all the balloons in the metal string. Just cross the balloons to secure it properly. After finishing the decorations, I made broccoli soup, a very simple recipe. In a pressure cooker, add some butter, add garlics, onions, bay leaf, followed by one full floret of broccoli. Give it a stir, add turmeric powder, pepper powder and salt and water and close the lid. That's it, we are good to go. Ground the broccoli mixture using a mixer grinder. Add the ground broccoli mixture and then we are going to add some fresh greens. Yummy broccoli soup is ready in very less time. Next we are going to see the pajama sets which I have got for me and my kids. I have got this wonderful mustard yellow pajamas for me and it is from the brand Kashana. The purchase link of this pajama is updated below in the description box. The material of the pajama is very good and it has long sleeves. Usually this kind of quality pajamas will be very costly, but this pajama is at very affordable price. Next we'll see what I got for my kids. I got it from First Cry and from the brand Ventra. The purchase link of these pajamas are also updated below in the description box. You can check it out. I prefer buying twinning dresses for my kids. Even they love to wear matching dresses. The material of these pajamas are very soft and it will make your kids so comfortable at night. And the special part is it has a silver heart in the knees. I like this brand because the sizes exactly fit my both the daughters. Then comes the cake cutting at midnight at 12 o'clock.
இங்க மம்மி கிட்ட வாடா.
Mommy. Happy birthday to you.
Ooh, blow, blow.
Blow, blow.
Ooh.
Birthday to
My daughter's the super cute wordings for me. I gifted myself with Jay Shetty's book. I'm so excited to read his book. His thoughts really motivates anyone. If you are interested, you can buy his book. I will update the purchase link of this book. Started my day with this book. Now let's make garlic breads. Taken some good amount of garlic and chopped into small pieces. Took the finely chopped garlics in a bowl. Added around 50 grams of butter. Then goes in fresh parsley leaves. If you don't have a parsley, you can replace it with coriander leaves. Adding in finely chopped parsley leaves. Parsley when added with garlic and butter mix will give the exact Italian taste. Then goes in oregano seasoning and chili flakes. These are left out packets from my previous Domino's order. Took freshly baked breads with no preservative. Spread a good amount of butter and garlic onto the bread. One side of the bread now is coated very well with butter and then goes in corn and added fresh jalapenos. Then add shredded cheese. Cover the bread with another slice. Spreading some more butter on top of the bread slices. Then I'm going to add peri peri masala on top of the breads. Going to toast the bread with some butter. Put the stove on a medium flame and toast it. After toasting one side, flip it. Press the bread to something like this. After pressing the bread, flip it and add some more peri peri masala. Add some more butter. Cover the breads with lid for 2 minutes on a very low flame. That's it, our garlic breads are ready. Cut it into long pieces. Look how cheesy it is and it tastes exactly the same like Domino's. We have planned to go to a temple, so packing these garlic breads to have as a snack in the temple. Along with garlic breads, I am going to carry some tulsi tea. For making tulsi tea, add normal tea powder on a boiling water, followed by ginger. Add milk and after it boils, we are going to add some sugar. Then goes in a few ready-made tulsi drops. These kind of tulsi drops are easily available in any pharmacy. I got it from Apollo Pharmacy. These tulsi drops are made from a combination of 5 species of tulsi. Tulsi is very good for cough, cold and it increases immunity. I'm going to make the temple visit as a small picnic, carrying snacks and tea. Baby is ready to go to temple. husband prepared some food for me for my birthday, and this is the best gift for any busy mom. And now let's see on what products you can get the offers. Product 1 is swing. Already the swing is at affordable price and you will get 5 more percentage off from MRP. And the next product is a super cute earrings. And if you are my subscriber, you will receive 10% more offer from the MRP rate. Thank you all for watching this video. See you all soon with the product video with good offers. Until that, it's Jan signing off. Take care. Bye-bye.